Hi everyone, this is Brandy. Thanks for coming back to my channel, Stay Forever True. So today we're going to make a taco salad, which is really good. I already showed how to prepare the jackfruit in my teriyaki jackfruit video, but basically you just take a can of jackfruit, make sure you get it in brine or water, and then you just break it up in pieces till it's in shredded pieces. And right here I'm just adding seasonings. I use cumin, cayenne pepper, and complete seasoning, which is basically just a blend of like dried cilantro and different herbs and spices. And so I use enchilada sauce to season my jackfruit as well. Now you can use anything that you want. You can use salsa. You can try to use like adobo peppers that are in like sauce. You can use that sauce for it to make it really spicy. And then I also added onions and jalapeno. And then this is just a corn, black bean, onions, and pepper mix that I made. Now I'm using the same skillet, so don't say my skillet is dirty. It is. I'm just using the same one that I made, that I used with the beans. So I'm adding in nutritional yeast with a little bit of oil, and I'm letting it toast just a little bit to bring out even more of that nutty flavor. Now to that I add Trader Joe's tahini sauce that's in the jar. Make sure that you stir it up well because it might settle at the bottom. You don't want to have a huge clump of tahini paste at the bottom. You want to make sure you mix it up well. Along with that I add in some garlic, some minced garlic, and lemon juice. So usually I'll either use lemon juice with this or I'll use some type of salt. Sometimes I've used like Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, anything like that. So I didn't want to use salt that day, so I went ahead and used just the lemon juice, which really is a good replacement for salt. It gives your food that nice acidity that it needs. So I used almond milk. You can use any type of non-dairy milk, rice, soy, coconut, whatever your heart desires. And you are going to have some clumps. Don't worry, just continue to mix it well. And then add more almond milk as needed to thin out this mixture. So definitely start off with less and build your way up, and then test it as you go to give it a taste. Might need to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more garlic, a little bit more onion. Did I say onion? I didn't put onion in here, but you could like saute some onions, you know, make them get a little bit caramelized and blend them up and add them to your cheese mixture as well. That'd be So I use a taco shell that I just get from a local grocery store. Typically you'll find it where you find like the cheese and the dairy. It's refrigerated. I added cilantro to that, as well as lettuce and tomato, and of course my bean and corn mixture, which I'm really liking nowadays. Just something about it is really good and filling. So that's our jackfruit, as you can see. Now with your jackfruit, what you want to do is put it in the oven for about 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then recheck it again, move it around, and then put it back in for another 10 minutes. If you find that it's getting too dry, you can add more enchilada sauce to it or more sauce in general, or you can leave it on the dry side. But this was really good. It gives it a nice taste. The enchilada sauce was a bit kind of tangy, but I liked it. It was something different. And that's our cheese sauce, which was really good. Nice, nutty, rich flavor, creamy, very good, very satisfying. I had to get it ready for photographs for Instagram. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram under stayforevertrue #1. Subscribe, like, and comment to this video, and thank you all for watching. Remember, in all that you do, stay forever true. Peace.